Hello everyone, let's start with business and financial market update. Equity investors earned 16.36 lakh crore rupees in 2022 with market capitalization of BSE listed firms reaching 282.36 lakh crore till December 29. Market capitalization of BSE listed firms reached an all-time high of 290.46 lakh crore on December 5. Sensex touched its all-time high of 63,583.07 points on December 1 after hitting its 52-week low of 50,921.22 points on June 17. Moving on, Indian Rupee ended as the worst performing Asian currency of the year on Friday as per Reuters. The currency closed at 82.72 against the US dollar as compared to 74.33 at the end of 2021. The currency has declined 11.3% this year, its biggest annual fall since 2013. Meanwhile, the dollar index is headed for its biggest yearly gain since 2015. Moving on, Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) is reportedly giving a 20% Christmas salary hike to 70% of its over 6 lakhs employees and a performance-based hike to remaining staff. This comes after it announced its 100% variable pay for 70% of its staff compared to 10 to 20% as variable compensation earlier. TCS posted 10,433 crore rupees net profit in the July to September quarter of 2022. Moving on, Marion Biotech was ordered to halt all manufacturing activities at its Noida plant on Thursday night after an investigation by CDSCO Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya said. The plant was inspected after Uzbekistan claimed that 18 children in the country died after consuming Marion's contaminated cough syrup. Marion earlier said it has stopped manufacturing DOK1 Max cough syrup.Moving on, Eicher Motor Limited will buy a nearly 10.35% stake in Spanish electric motorcycle maker Stark Future SL for 50 million euros. The company said in a filing. With the investment, Royal Enfield parent Eicher will have a set on Stark Future's board and will explore further opportunities to collaborate in the space of electric mobility, the company said. Moving on, the Adani Group on Friday said it has acquired 27.26% equity stake in NDTV, NSE 1.92% from Pranav Roy and his wife Radhika Roy, founders of the new broadcaster. RRPR, an indirect subsidiary of the company and member of the promoter group of NDTV, has acquired a 27.26% equity stake in NDTV from Pranav Roy and Radhika Roy by way of interest transfer, said a regulatory filing from Adani Enterprises. Adani Group has acquired Roy's share at the price of Rs 342.65 per share. Based on this price, the sale of 1.75 crore shares would be fetched. The ROI is up to 602.3 crore. The acquisition was completed on December 30, 2022 on the block deal window of NSE. Last week, NDTV board had also appointed two nominee directors of the richest Asian Gautam Adani's run conglomerate on the board, Sanjay Pugalia and Senthil Sini. Moving on, SEBI on Thursday fined Apex Frozen Foods Limited promoters Karutari Subramaniam Chaudhary and Vellapalli Rao and two others a total of 51.14 lakhs for insider trading rules. The order came after SEBI investigated Apex Frozen Foods' script to ascertain whether the entities have traded in the firm's script while in possession of unpublished price-sensitive information. Moving on, Tata Consumer Products Limited on Thursday said it has acquired 23.3% additional shares of South Africa-based Joy Callen tea packers for 43.65 crore rupees. The deal was completed through TCPL's wholly owned subsidiary Tata Consumer Products Overseas Holding Limited (TCP Overseas). With the acquisition, TCP Overseas Holding in Joy Callen will increase from 51.7% to 75% of the equity share capital. Moving on, gold prices rose by Rs 205 to 55,210 rupees per 10 gram in the national capital on Friday, amid positive global trends, according to SDFC. The precious metal has touched 55,005 rupees per 10 grams in the previous trade. Silver, however, declined by Rs 30 to 69,698 rupees per kg. Moving on, multi-bagger stock IRB Infra which has risen over 450% in 3 years under its private investment arm, allotted redeemable non-convertible debentures of Rs 700 crore to eligible investors. Continuing with our effort to return enhancement through refinancing of completed projects, this is to inform you that another subsidiary of IRB Infrastructure Trust has allotted unlisted rated redeemable non-convertible debentures aggregating to Rs 700 crore on a private placement basis, the company said in a BSE filing. The NCD proceeds from refinancing would be utilized for part takeout financing of the existing project loans obtained and provide a significant saving of over Rs 10 crore annually at a revised interest cost of 8.9%, it added. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Financial Pulse for business and financial market update.